Hi, Dr. Rothwell here. I just wanted to record a quick video about how to use Screencastify. I recorded one during a lesson one day, but it didn't really record well, so let me just do this real quick. Once you go to Screencastify, it'll send you to a place where you can add it to Chrome, because it is a Chrome extension, a Chrome add-on. Once you add it to Chrome, it'll be up here in this puzzle piece. So you just click the puzzle piece, you select Screencastify, and then it's going to bring up this menu. It's going to ask you if you want to record just the browser tab, the desktop, or the webcam. It doesn't really matter what you do for your purpose, but I always just like to do the desktop. It'll ask you to set up your microphone and your webcam to enable them. So you enable them, click allow, and you're going to make sure you select which camera and microphone you use. Done. And I don't know what's happening here, but once you do that, it's going to send you to your option here to select the microphone, which one you want, enable the webcam, which one you want there. You can also enable drawing tools. Now, a little tip here, the drawing tools feature is only going to work whenever it's on a live website. So as you can see here, this right here is a live website, but if you just click it on this and there's nothing going on, the drawing tools will not work. That's something I learned just last week. So whenever you do go to record for Screencastify, all you have to do is just select record, and it'll show up at the bottom. It failed to start recording because I'm recording using another application. But Screencastify is pretty useful with the annotative tools, as well as the fact that it's just a Chrome add-on. So I hope this helped a little bit, and as always, you know how to contact me whenever you have a question concerning this kind of technology.